Welcome to Audacity Lesson 10. Today we're diving into creating space and depth in your audio using reverb and echo effects. Reverb and echo are essential tools for giving your recordings atmosphere and realism, making them sound less dry and more professional. Ever wanted to make a dry vocal track sound like it was recorded in a huge studio space? We're going to add reverb to achieve that studio space sound. Let's start with a demonstration of what reverb does. Notice how the sound seems to sustain and reflect off imaginary surfaces. To access reverb in Audacity, first select the audio track you want to modify, then go to the Effect menu and choose Reverb. The room size parameter determines the perceived size of the space. A larger value simulates a bigger room, resulting in longer decay times for the reverb. Next, the wet level controls the volume of the added reverb effect. A higher wet setting means more of the processed, reverberant signal is mixed with the original audio. Now, let's explore the echo effect, which creates distinct, repeating repetitions of the original sound. Similar to reverb, select your audio, go to Effect, and choose Echo. This opens the parameters for the echo effect. The key parameter here is the delay time, which sets the interval between the original sound and its repetitions. Use shorter times for subtle delays and longer times for dramatic echo effects. You can combine reverb and echo for complex sonic landscapes. Applying them in sequence allows for unique atmospheric creation. Experiment with chaining reverb before echo, or vice versa, to see how the order of effects changes the overall sound texture. For refinement, apply a simple EQ to your affected tracks. This can help prevent muddiness, especially with heavy reverb or echo, ensuring clarity. We've covered adding reverb to simulate space and echo for repeating delays, learning how to layer them to build atmosphere. The atmosphere is added, and your project is sounding much more dimensional. You are making great progress in your audio editing journey. Join us for the next lesson, where we'll explore noise reduction techniques to clean up your recordings even further.